What's up guys, in this short tutorial I will show you how to reset all of your iPhone settings. This should be quite an easy tutorial, but if you still have any questions then leave a comment and let me know. Open up your native settings application. Here, scroll down and tap on General. In your General settings, scroll down and tap on Reset. Here select Reset all settings. If you have a password set, then your device will prompt you to enter it. This will allow you to keep all of your data on your device, but your settings will be stored to default. This reset is not a complete removal of settings. It removes all of your preferences for Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, Do Not Disturb, notifications, general settings, sounds, brightness and wallpaper, and privacy. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.